In this video, I'll show you how to make a Hangman game in Python. The basic rules of Hangman are we have a word, let's say Hangman, and we get underscores, which are basically the number of underscores, like the number of letters in the word, which will be Hangman. So let's say we guessed A. So our word that we have completed will be replaced with this. It will be updated with this. And if we guess N after this, it'll be replaced by this. And yeah, that's the basic rules. And we also have 6 tries. And if we fail to guess the word in 6 tries, then we lose the game, or else we just win it. So I have a list of words over here, and it's not necessary that you have to copy this. You can just make a list of random words in a different Python file, and you can just follow me. So we need to import random first to get a random word over here from here. And we also need to import from this file as well. I mean, you have to import the variable from this file as well. Now we'll write a function to get the word. So now this function will choose a random word from us, and also for the display of Hangman, I'll just show you real quick what it is. So we have this figure over here, and in the beginning we'll start from this. So if we guess a letter which wasn't in the word, we move on to this stage, and then this, and then this, and then for a last guess it will be this. And if we do not guess, we'll basically lose the game. Now we'll make our main playing function, which will have word underscore completion, which, as I said, would be the number of underscores into the length of the word. And let's say we haven't guessed the word yet, we'll have a list to see the guessed letters and the guessed underscore words. So if we guess a letter which wasn't in the word, it'll be stored over here. So if we try to guess it again, it won't work and we won't lose a try. And we have 6 tries. Now we'll print our we'll also print our word completion and a new line as well. So while we haven't guessed and tries is greater than 0, we'll ask the user to guess. Please guess a letter or a word, and we'll convert this to an uppercase as we did over here. Now if the length of our, so now we'll basically do three things to, now we need to check three things. If the user has guessed a word, a letter, or something else which wasn't a valid guess. So we'll start with the letter first. This will check if the letter is a alphabet and a letter. Now if our guess in is in guessed underscore letters, we'll print you have already guessed the letter and our guess. We don't need a space. Now else if our guess is not in word, so if our guess is not in word, we'll just print the letter is not in the word. So else we'll just print that we have guessed the letter. Good job. Guess is in the word. And we'll also append that to our list. So we'll append our letter to our list. Now we'll make a variable which stores our word completion as a list, so we can use it in our for loop. Now for index, in we did a variable for that, and I says dot append, no, dot join our list. And if our underscore is not in word, we have guessed the word. So if you have guessed the word, there will be no underscores. So we have just changed the guess to true so that we just break the while loop over here. Now else if we have guessed the else if we have guessed a word, not a letter, and if it's an alphabet as well. So if our guess is in the list, we have guessed the word, and we'll just print that we have already guessed the word. Else, if our guess is not in the word, print guess is not the word. Else, we have guessed the word, and our word completion will be the whole word itself. Now, if you haven't guessed a letter nor a word, then it's just not a valid guess. We'll print our, we'll update our hangman with our tries. We'll print our word completion, and we'll print a new line as well. Now we'll go back to our function. If we have guessed the word, print congratulations or congrats for short. You have guessed the word. You win. Else, we just lose. Sorry, you ran out of tries. The word was plus word, and we have to make another function, our main function, and just set a word to, and we'll call our functions over here. So now we'll make a play again function while input. So if this dot upper is yes, then we just rerun our program. Our word is the word we have got in our function, and we'll just run it again. And we'll also do this as well. We run this. I think this should work. Let's play Hangman. Okay, I guess it's some problem with this. So I'll just try this approach if it works. And yeah, I forgot one more thing, which is to return our stages. So we start with this, as I said. Please guess a letter word A. Now we got errors again. Oh, it's a pretty silly mistake over here. So as I meant to convert this into a list, I forgot to put this in a list as well. Pretty silly mistake. Let's see if this works. Yeah, A is there. Hmm. D. D is not in the word. Let's just make this full screen. D is not in the word. Now it drew this. Let's say E. E is there in the word. P. P is not there. And W. W is not in the, W is not there. O. O is not there too. C. And if we try to guess A again, it shows that we've already guessed the letter. K. Okay, H is there. Hmm. Oh, it's hearing. But I took so many tries to guess the word, although the hangman didn't change. Now, why is that? Yep, I guess it's a silly mistake again. Yeah, I haven't decremented tries by one. Tries decrements by one, and I have to also append over here as well. And where else? Yep, here. Hmm. This should work. It's only a four-letter word. A. A is there. W. W is not there. And yeah, it drew a head. R. No. E. No. C. It's not there. O. No. P. Oh, the word. You ran out of tries. The word was tail. Let's say feel. Let's play again. E. E is not there. D. No. A. No. C. C is there. O. O is there. Now if we try to guess C again, we have already guessed it. A. D. Hmm, N. Let's see. Copter. No. L. L is there. We have one more try. Y. Y is there. What can it be? U. It was costly, man. I'm so dumb. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.